Every modern UI you've seen, Apple and Microsoft, uses this effect. Frosted glass. And 90% of developers think it's complicated. It's literally 4 lines of CSS. This is what most people build. A card with a dark, semi-transparent background. It technically works, but it looks flat. Start with a semi-transparent background, not solid, transparent. Because we need what's behind the card to be visible, and backdrop filter only works if the element has a transparent or semi-transparent background. Now, this is the one property that changes everything. Backdrop filter doesn't blur the element. It blurs everything behind it. That's the whole trick. And saturate 180% pumps the colors so they pop through the blur. Don't skip the -webkit- prefix. Safari still needs it. Now add a border, but not a solid one. Semi-transparent white. This mimics how real frosted glass catches light on its edges. Last touch, box shadow with 2 layers. One outer shadow for depth. One inset shadow for that subtle inner glow along the top edge. And that's it. This is episode 2 of the CSS Magic series. Every video we take 2 or 3 CSS properties, combine them, and build something that looks like it took days. If you're new here, episode 01 is gradient text. Link is on screen right now. Subscribe for more content and see you in the next one.